How to add music to Facebook post. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook on your phone. Then you want to tap on what's on your mind. Select any of the photo or video that you want to put as Facebook post. Now you want to tap on edit, that is on the top left corner of the post. As you do that, you will see the screen where you want to tap on music like icon right there, and you can go ahead and search for the music that you want to put it in the story. For example, I'm keeping it hello and then selecting any of the song that I like. To edit it, you can put it wherever on the screen. Just tap on the lyrics that is playing on the screen and you can choose the part of the song and you can edit how you want to display it on the post. And after that, you can also change and edit other things here. And now tap on next, and then after that you will see this post is ready to share. Just tap on post, that is on the top right corner. And that is how to add music to Facebook post. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.